Hello everybody, today we are in Summerlin and we're going to be previewing some single story homes by Woodside Homes in the community of Falcon Crest. And you can clearly see this community definitely has the views. Check out right behind me, you can clearly see the strip. Also real quick guys, we get calls, texts every single day from people just like you looking to move to Las Vegas, and we love it. So whether you're looking to move in 7 days, 3 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, email, or schedule a Zoom call. Happy to help you make that smooth move to Las Vegas. Now let's get started. Quick guys, let me show you this beautiful view. Let me see if I can zoom in real quick. Look at that guys. Right over there is the strip. Okay, let's get back to zooming out. And for today's video, we are going to be previewing that home right over there. Also, I will have the link card of these other homes up here on the right top of your screen. So if you're interested in seeing those homes as well, definitely check them out. So right here they are building currently a park right now. A little picnic area right there. You have the mountains. Beautiful views from this community. And all these homes here are all going to be single story homes. Get that view guys. This first plan we got is the Talon plan. And this one comes in 1,950 square feet to up to 2,131 square feet. It does come in a 3 to 4 bedroom, 2.5 to 3 bath, 3 bay garage, meaning you'll have, like, it will look like a 2-car garage, but it'll have another bay in the back end of the garage to make it that 3rd bay. And if you wanted to make that 3rd bay into that 4th bedroom, that's what that would be. Okay, and starting price, base price for this one is $689,990. That's just base price guys. Average lot size here starts at, well, standard lot size here starts at 6,000 square feet and goes up to even 13,000 square feet. HOA is $85 a month plus a $55 master plan, so a total of $140 a month for your association fees. It does have scissor lids. Yearly amount is $1,062 estimated. It is also in a gated community. I do apologize about the noise. There's a lot of construction going on. And there is in this community a total of 3 plans available, but for today's video, we'll only be previewing one. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have the exterior look of the home. This does come in 3 different elevations, meaning you have 3 different options of how the front of your house could look. And each elevation does come at a different price. So I love how it has the stones on this front entry. You will have these pavers on your driveway and on your entryway, along with this 8-foot entry door. So here's a quick recap of this model. So this is the Talon Plan 1. It does come standard equipped with a Ring doorbell. Okay. So immediately as soon as you come in, you'll notice the 10-foot ceilings. Off here to my left, we do have bedroom number 1. Windows facing the front. Give you a front look. Check out this bedroom, guys. Look at those ceilings. This one does have its own full bath. So you have the tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Prefab tub, stand-up shower. You have your ceramic tile. You have your dual sink, quartz countertop. Get your with the black hardware. Okay, let me show you guys something real quick also. So this is the second bedroom, but there's this, the thing with Woodside, there's so many options how you could definitely change this plan in so many different ways. Like you could, that restroom that I just showed you, you could have that to be a Jack and Jill to this one. Right now as modeled, they are using it as just an office, but check out these glass doors. I mean, really nice. Okay, so let's go to the main living room area first, and then we'll check out the rest of the rooms. So here we have the living room area. Man, these 10-foot ceilings make a huge difference. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, I could just picture myself just sitting here watching the game, relaxing with the family, friends. And right behind me, we have the kitchen. Look at that, guys. What are your first thoughts of this kitchen? So you have the option to either pick quartz or granite countertops. This one has the quartz. It does have the offset undermount fiberglass sink with black faucet. You have your dishwasher right here. You actually have some extra storage space cabinets right here on the side. Refrigerator is not included. You got your built-in microwave oven. Love that backsplash. So you have your countertop 5-burner stove. Stainless steel hood. Let's check these if these are soft close. Not soft close. Nope. Bounce back. But just check out all this storage space. Is this something you guys could benefit from, or is it just too much? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. This is very interesting over here. So you have your pantry right over here. Walk-in pantry. And right behind me, this, like, what would you guys do with this space? Is something you would want, not want? Let me know. Okay, let's go over to the dining room area. So this is where you would have your dining room area. Not too big of a space, but decent size area. And right behind that, you'll notice this gigantic, say about 15 feet, slider doors. Beautiful. Let's go check out the backyard. You do have this covered patio, the can lighting, pre-wiring for outdoor ceiling fan. You got the pavers. You'll get these pavers. You just won't get this landscape backyard, but starting lot size here is 6,000 square feet. So fairly good sized lots. You will not get that barbecue pit, but what you will get is you will get the pre-gassed line. So if you ever do decide to want to put a barbecue pit, you'll get this gas line to install your own outdoor barbecue kitchen area. Also, let me show you from here. I don't know if you can see or not, but right over there you can see the strip. Let me see if I can zoom in. Right there. What do you guys think, guys? This is a backyard that you could enjoy. Let me give you a view from this side. It's a nice, oversized patio. Let's go back inside. Also, really quick, guys, if this is your first time and you're enjoying this home tour, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. That way, you're the first to learn on any upcoming home tours. Okay, here we got the primary bedroom. Also has its own in and out door to the backyard. 8-foot door. So you would have this window, and that glass door to let in that natural lighting. So let me show you this room. What do you guys think? Big enough? Now let's check out this primary bath. So here to my left, you have the toilet room area. Here to my right, you have a linen closet. Check out this bathroom, guys. So you got his and her sink right across from each other, with that tile backsplash going all the way to the ceiling. Also, another thing to keep in mind, guys, for upgrades, rule of thumb I always like to tell my clients is about 10 to 15% add to that base price. Check that out, guys. This is a shower you could enjoy. Let me know. I like this black backsplash tile, really nice. You have your bench, top all the way to the ceiling. Check that out, guys. What do you guys think of this shower? Also, you have right over here the walk-in closet. What do you guys think? Let's go check out the rest of the house. Also, guys, having a realtor represent you in a new build purchase costs you nothing and ensures that someone is fighting for your best interests. Unlike builders who represent their own, don't miss out on the knowledge and support a realtor provides. So let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Okay, so here, I don't know if I got this or not, but we'll see it. The coat closet. Then over here, have the laundry room. Washer, dryer not included. But check out this laundry room, guys. It's one of the nicer ones that I've seen lately. Then behind me we have a half bathroom. Also, right here through this door is to the garage. Right now it is the sales office, but you do have this option right here. You could convert, instead of having that third bay garage extension, you could convert this into that fourth bedroom. All right, guys, well, hey, if you enjoyed this home tour, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming home tours. Till next time, guys.